In this video, we will install and set up the programs and software that we need to program in C++ on a Windows machine. There is an additional step on Windows. In addition to installing Visual Studio Code and the C++ extension for it, we will also need to install a C++ compiler. By default, Macs have a C++ compiler built in, but Windows machines do not, so we need to install one. First, we can Google download Visual Studio Code. Let's click on the result from code.visualstudio.com. From there, we will be able to click the button to download the program for Windows. Once it begins downloading, let's click on it so that it opens up as soon as it downloads. We can progress through the prompts that appear until the program is successfully downloaded and installed on our machine. Once we open up the program, we can click the fifth icon down on the left sidebar, which is the extensions pane. From here, we will search C++ and download the first result that comes up, which is the most popular C++ extension for VS Code. Next, we will go to the following URL, code.visualstudio.com/docs/languages/CPP, which has the steps for installing a C++ compiler for Windows. The one we will use is MSYS2. We can click the installer link and download the latest version of the installer. After following the prompts, a command line interface should open up. In step 6, there is a command we will need. We can copy it. And we can right-click and paste the command in there, being sure that no other characters were entered in when we pasted it. Then we can hit enter to run the command. Once that command finishes executing, we can go inside of our C drive. You should see a MySys64 folder inside of there, and we can double click on it. Inside of there is a Ming W64 folder, and inside of there is a bin folder. Inside of that folder should be a bunch of executable files, which means that we successfully installed this C++ compiler on our Windows machine.